Alright guys, well, just finished with the bag. Boy, I had a mess of problems, but it's done. It's still not laying out because I got an oil pan clearance issues. I got to get that shallow oil pan in, and then this front end will lay right on the ground. And you can see where it's at. I got it just a hair off the ground right now. Back's a little bit high. I got a little bit too much air in it right now. Just getting used to pumping air in the system. But the back will lay out. I just got to cut one bar and rebend it. And the back will go right on the ground too. So hopefully by this weekend, I'll have that all done. I'm going to pull the motor out to make sure this car lays out. And then I'm either going to look and order the oil pan, or I might just raise the motor. Kind of kick it around both ways right now. There's the back with the triangulated 4-link in it. Get you a front shot right there. I'll post a longer video this weekend with it going up and down. Please let me know what you think. Like and subscribe if you're enjoying it. Always looking for you guys' input. Thanks guys. Have a good night.